Alright, so pretty basic coffee pot. The reason we got this is we thought we were really clever and we got the two-part that was a Keurig and a full pot, thinking, well, if anything ever breaks, you have the other side. And then 2 days ago we realized that that's not really true because the heating element works for both sides. So one side broke, couldn't use the other side. Won't do that again, so we just got this. We're pretty happy with it. Very basic adjustment, easy to set the time, easy to set the time for it to come on, 2-hour auto shut off, like that. The water reservoir markings are on the right side, so for me that isn't exactly what I wanted, but I can make it work. I actually want it on the left side, and it's something I never think of when you're picking out a coffee pot, is to pay attention to which side that is. So, basic setup. Now this is a little weird. When you do the filter, this bar moves out of the way, and that's fine, and it makes it handy. However, what I found is, when I take this out, I actually, when I remove it, comes out like that. When I remove it, I put this arm back, because if I don't do that, when I come back with the filter, I don't remember to put it back. So that's a little weird, but it's fine. But it's been working great. We're happy with it. I'll certainly update. If not, it was moderately priced. But yeah, this is a little weird, so I would suggest if you get it like us, every time you move the basket, put this back over here so it's in your way, or you too will forget to put it back, and it will just be sitting over here and not brewing coffee. So there you have it.
Cumple muy bien, sí rinde para 12 tazas. La verdad es que es de las mejores cafeteras que he tenido. Y lo mejor es que la puedes programar. Así que si ya sabes que te tienes que levantar a las 6 de la mañana y quieres tu café, ahí lo tienes. 10 de 10.
Turn this thing back in to make sure it doesn't overflow. Otherwise this thing will be freaking everywhere.